Hey guys, now that you have the basic understanding of what a sales funnel is, now I want to give you an overview of the environment of your InterFunnels account, because it is very easy to use and easy to navigate. I just want to make sure that you understand the different menus and how to set up your funnels. So right now what you see in front of you is basically the dashboard, your user dashboard. You get a quick stats and what's going on with your account here. You get to know how much sales you made this month, and how many visitors you got, how many leads you got. And this is also a quick snapshot of what's going on with your account, how many visitors you're getting, how many leads, how many impressions. You can also change your funnels here and get the different stats for the different funnels that you have created. Here you will see different account limits that are imposed on your account depending on what type of what package you are subscribed to. You will see different numbers here, such as how many funnels you can still create, how many custom domains, how many members, and how much storage capacity is available. So this is your dashboard. You always have these help options available. Feel free to talk to our live chat representative, or if you have any questions, you can also create a ticket with our help desk. These video tutorials, of course, you're watching those, and there is a complete user guide that will guide you step by step of creating your sales funnels. Now, the first thing you want to do when you log into your account is to create your first funnel. So you would go to the funnels menu and then click on the create new funnel. So first of all, you have to decide which type of funnel is best for your business type. I've already created a video in previous video. I explained what these different types mean. So let's create a simple opt-in funnel, and let's give it a name. So immediately after that, you will see this this user interface basically. So let's understand what's going on here. So this is basically your funnels menu. Anything that affects your entire funnel is here in this blue menu that you see, blue bar on the top. And here you can basically change your funnel name, set your administrator options, set GDPR text, and under the notifications you can set up the email notifications that go out to your members when they sign up, or when a new order is placed. This is the email notice that your customers will be getting. And if you are a little bit technical enough and you understand what the webhook is, it's basically an external URL where we actually throw all the parameters when a new lead is captured or new order is created. Okay, so this is basically webhook. Now let's go to the payments menu. Here you can do different types of payment settings for your funnel. Remember that you can always switch between the different funnels here. So right now I'm just working on this funnel, which is the opt-in demo, and I can change the currency symbol here. I can select my payment method. So all these basically are your payment related settings. Then there are integrations. So if you have an autoresponder that you want to integrate with this funnel, you will select yes, and then you will select the autoresponder service like Aweber, ActiveCampaign, GetResponse. So this is where you will actually be asked. For example, if I select the MailChimp, I will be asked to give the API key of the MailChimp. We have separate videos for the autoresponder setup, so you can watch more details of how to set up the autoresponder. Then we have the API, and then we have the pixels. So basically, if you want to integrate AdWords retargeting or Facebook retargeting, this is where you will do that. And then we have the publishing. So publishing is where you will set up your own custom domain. Okay, so you just have to change the CNAME records of your domain, and your custom domain will be set up. So this is basically your funnels menu, this blue bar. Okay, now let's choose a template, and then I will show you the steps menu. Okay, so the template has been chosen, and I can also create a split test basically. And let's create a split test, and let's choose a different template for a split test. Okay, so this is your step. I mean, this is step 1, which is a squeeze page where you actually are capturing the leads, and after the first step the users will be taken to the second step, which is your thank you page. So let's also choose a template for the thank you page. So I've chosen this template for the thank you page. So what's happening is this is the top of my funnel, which is the squeeze page, and after that people will be taken to this thank you page. A pop-up page can or cannot be used. I mean, you have the option. It is totally optional. If you want to use it, fine. If you don't want to use it, then just leave it there. Okay, so I can also change the sequence of these pages by simply dragging and dropping it. So now my thank you page is the top of the funnel. So I would put it back, because squeeze page is always the top of the funnel. So now, so this is my steps menu. Okay, and then we have these options for each step. For example, if I want to change the name of my squeeze page, I can call it lead capture page. Okay, so I can do that from here. And then we have autoresponders. Okay, so here I can literally create the email automation. I can add the subscribers to one list and remove them from another list. So this is where I will do that under the autoresponder tab. And remember, there are multiple versions of your pages. Okay, so if you want to restore if you have, if you want to restore a previous page that you saved yesterday or sometime back in time, so you can restore that from here. And then you can literally specify which pixel you want to fire when this page is loaded. So you might want to fire different pixels on different steps of your funnel. So this is where you would do that. And then you can basically attach a pop-up with your there are 3 types of pop-ups: the click pop-up, the onload pop-up, and the exit pop-up. So these are different pop-ups. So these are your funnel menus. These are your funnel menus, and these are your step menus, which apply to each step. And then we have some global menus available. Like from here, you can set up your payment gateway, your payment packages, coupons, and orders. This is under the selling menu. And then you have the media gallery, where you can upload your images, you can upload your videos, you can upload your downloadable products, all from this media gallery. And if you are an agency user, you will also see this. This is where you will create multiple client accounts. Let's say you are a digital agency and you have multiple clients. So you want to create multiple accounts for them. So you can create up to 10 client accounts under the agency dashboard. This is your agency dashboard basically. And you can specify how many funnels each client can create. So under the agency account, you have 100 funnels, and you can assign all those funnels to one client, or you can assign like different funnels to different clients. So This is your agency dashboard. If you want to host multiple clients and they have their own autoresponder, they have their own payment gateways, then this is the way to do it. Okay, so this is funnels menu, and if you want to see all your funnels in one screen, then here is where you will go, which is the my funnels menu, and here you basically see all your funnels. Or if you just want to see the opt-in funnels, then you go here and it will load only the opt-in funnels and only the sales funnels, only the membership funnels. So they are nicely categorized and organized here. So this is basically the basic overview of your environment. As you can see, it is very, very easy to use, easy to navigate. It is not a rocket science. It's very easy. In the coming videos, we are going to explain each and every option in more detail. So watch all the videos, and if you still have questions, you can always come here and ask our support team. Our support team is very, very responsive. They give you very personal level support. You can even request a phone call if you want to. We will definitely help you set up and get started with your account. So thank you for watching this video, and please do watch all the videos and learn how to set up your funnels. Thank you.